Bring the horses. The barn is ready for stalls, one with a separate turnout and an air-conditioned tack room. This 5-acre property is level and clear with enough trees to provide a peaceful and tranquil setting and provide cooling shade for your four-legged farm friends. There's also an oversized, 768 square foot, garage workshop with an attached carport. The comfortable home features a split plan, eating space in the kitchen as well as a separate dining area. French doors open to the spacious tiled, screened porch with views of the yard and offers an outdoor fireplace for those cool country evenings. Roof replaced 8/2017, AC replaced 8/2017, drain field replaced 7/2017.